Hi students, in this video I'm going to show you how to use spectacles. So what is spectacles? Spectacles is an application on Mac where you can arrange your tabs nicely. So one of the example I can give you is, let's say you have course notes to refer to while you are going to answer your assignments in TFTC. You can actually section them out in both sides of the screen to see both of the notes at the same time. Okay, so when you receive the MacBook from us, you will always see a spectacle app on top, either the top left or top right, usually on the left. Okay, so how do you turn on spectacles? Just need to double click on it. Once you double click on it, you realize there's a spectacle icon over here. Once you see this, means it's turned on already. So next one, I'm going to show you how to section your tabs nicely. So go to open any Safari tabs or Google Chrome if you download it. And then now you have two tabs, right? Let's say one is for your e-notes that you want to refer to. The other one is your assessment tabs in TeleMS. What you can do is you can select on the tab that you want it on the left and the right. So let's say this one I want it to put on the left side. Okay, so I'll use Option, Command, left arrow key. Once you click on it, these three together, it will move to the left. Same for this. Let's say now you got that at the left already, this one you put it on the right. So Option, Command, right. So now you have two perfectly split screen. Well, one you can use to refer to the notes, the other one to answer your assignments questions. Alright, so this is the end of the video. Thank you.